This Vitamix Explorian E310 blender stands as a powerful entry point into professional-grade blending for home kitchens, delivering the signature Vitamix performance that chefs trust while remaining accessible for everyday users who demand reliability, consistency, and long-term value. Designed for people who take their nutrition, cooking creativity, and kitchen efficiency seriously, this blender positions itself not as a disposable appliance, but as a dependable culinary partner. From the moment it powers on, the E310 communicates strength, control, and precision, making it clear that this is a machine built to perform repeatedly without compromise. What immediately sets the Vitamix Explorian E310 apart is its blending philosophy. Rather than relying on inflated horsepower numbers, the machine uses a refined 2 HP motor engineered to work in harmony with its stainless steel blades and container design. This focused power approach results in smoother textures, faster blends, and more consistent results across a wide range of recipes. Whether processing frozen fruit, fibrous vegetables, nuts, seeds, or dense ingredients, the blender maintains momentum without bogging down, producing silky smoothies and uniform purees that rival commercial results. The 48-ounce container strikes a deliberate balance between capacity and control, making it ideal for small to medium batches without sacrificing performance. Its shape is engineered to create the iconic Vitamix vortex, ensuring ingredients are continuously pulled into the blades rather than clinging to the sides. This results in even blending without frequent stopping or manual stirring, a crucial advantage for users who value efficiency. The included mini tamper further enhances control, allowing thick blends like nut butters, frozen desserts, and doughs to process smoothly without introducing air pockets. One of the most compelling aspects of the Explorian E310 is its versatility. This is not a single-purpose smoothie blender, but a universal kitchen tool capable of replacing multiple appliances. It handles smoothies, juices, hot soups created through friction heat, sauces, dressings, batters, non-dairy milks, nut butters, frozen desserts, and even flour and dough preparation with remarkable consistency. For users seeking to streamline their kitchen while expanding culinary possibilities, this level of functionality adds substantial value and long-term satisfaction. Ease of use is another strong point. The 10-variable speed dial combined with pulse control allows users to fine-tune texture with precision, whether aiming for a chunky salsa or a perfectly smooth soup. Unlike preset heavy blenders that remove control, the E310 encourages hands-on blending, empowering users to adjust speed dynamically based on ingredients and desired results. This tactile experience appeals to both beginners learning blending fundamentals and experienced cooks who appreciate granular control. Cleaning, often a pain point with high-performance blenders, is handled elegantly through Vitamix's self-cleaning system. A simple blend of warm water and a drop of dish soap at high speed cleans the container thoroughly in under a minute, eliminating the need for disassembly. This feature significantly reduces friction for daily use, making healthy habits easier to maintain for busy families, professionals, and fitness-focused users. Durability is central to the Vitamix brand promise, and the Explorian E310 reflects that commitment. Manufactured in Cleveland, Ohio, this blender is built with longevity in mind, reinforced by a 5-year limited warranty that provides peace of mind. Compared to average blenders that often fail after a short lifespan, the E310 is designed for years of consistent performance, making it a smarter investment over time rather than a recurring replacement expense. From buyer intent perspective, the Vitamix Explorian E310 checks all the boxes consumers search for in a professional-grade kitchen blender. Keywords such as high-performance blender, professional smoothie blender, self-cleaning blender, variable speed blender, and durable kitchen appliance naturally align with its core strengths. More importantly, the real-world experience consistently delivers on those expectations, which is why this model continues to earn trust among health-conscious users, home chefs, and blending enthusiasts. Pros and cons. Pros. The Vitamix Explorian E310 offers exceptional blending performance that consistently produces smooth, restaurant-quality results across a wide range of ingredients and recipes, making it ideal for both everyday use and advanced culinary applications. Its durable construction and high-quality components contribute to a long lifespan, positioning it as a dependable investment rather than a short-term appliance. The intuitive variable speed control provides precise texture customization, empowering users to achieve exactly the consistency they want without relying on presets. The self-cleaning feature saves time and effort, encouraging more frequent use and easier maintenance. Additionally, the compact yet efficient 48-ounce container makes it versatile for most household needs without taking up excessive counter space. Cons: the Vitamix Explorian E310 does not include digital presets, which may be a drawback for users who prefer one-touch convenience over manual control. Its powerful motor, while efficient, can be louder than standard blenders, particularly at higher speeds. The premium build quality also places it at a higher price point compared to entry-level blenders, which may feel like a barrier for budget-focused shoppers despite its long-term value. Final verdict: the Vitamix Explorian E310 blender is an outstanding choice for anyone ready to elevate their kitchen performance with professional-grade blending power, reliability, and versatility. It excels where it matters most: consistent results, durability, ease of use, and culinary flexibility. For those who value quality ingredients, healthier lifestyles, and tools that grow with their skills, this blender delivers exceptional return on investment. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and decide if the Vitamix Explorian E310 is the right upgrade for your kitchen. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.